full name first?
Kotaro Shimizu.
Sorry?
Kotaro Shimizu.
That's your Japanese name?
Yeah.
Ano?
Kotaro Shimizu.
Kotaro. Kotaro. Yes, okay. So Kotaro, what's your feedback about the Substance movie?
It's crazy. Like, I got shocked. It's gonna be a movie like this. It's kind of boring. So it's nice though. It's like a different experience.
Are you fond of this kind of movie?
Okay lang. Sakto lang. I'm not into horror that much. Pwede naman. It's really nice. Like, parang ibang type of vibe.
Hindi ka naman nandirin dun sa mga nakakadiring part.
Medyo nakapikit lang yung konti. Pero okay naman po. I don't know.
Okay.
What is your takeaway sa movie?
It's like more on like takeaways. Like, you should always like don't be insecure and stuff like that. So, I guess like, you have to be comfortable with what you're doing, what you trying to approach.
So you're now being managed on what company?
Right now I can't say. It's major like private.
But I heard you're part of the parang boy band or K-pop group.
Yeah. We're training right now.
So ano naman yung advice ng mom mo, si Miss Jean Garcia, about pagpasok mo sa showbiz?
Sorry.
Anong advice ng mama mo?
My mom's just like, kung anong gusto mo sa buhay, like, kung anong passion mo, just go for it.
How about your ate, Jenica?
My ate supports me. Kung ano mang planong ibang route ko, ibang route.
Did they give you like a specific tips na dapat mong gawin sa showbiz, ganyan? Do's and don'ts?
Like, just like be myself. Like,